In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable downloading Google Drive, turn off downloading for shared, plain Google Drive tutorial. First, open Google Drive Home in your browser. Find the file you want to share without allowing downloads. This method is great when you want people to view your document, image, video, or presentation, but you don't want them to download, copy, or print it. Click the file to select it, then open the More Options menu, the three dots next to the file. From there, choose Share. If you see another Share button in the preview or toolbar, click that as well to bring up the full sharing window. You should now be in the sharing dialog where you can control access and permissions. Look for the link access section. If it's set to restricted, click it. Change the setting to anyone with the link. This makes the file accessible only to people who have the link. It won't show up in search. This step ensures your viewers can open the file you share while you still control what they can do with it. Next, click the settings gear in the top right of the sharing window. You'll see permission checkboxes. Uncheck the option that lets editors change permissions and share, and uncheck the option that allows viewers and commenters to download, print, and copy. If you see separate checkboxes for viewers and for commenters, uncheck both. These settings are the key to turning off downloading and copying for your shared file. Use the back arrow to return to the main sharing screen. Now click Copy Link to place the shareable link on your clipboard. Finally, click Done to save everything. When you send that link, recipients will be able to open and view the file in their browser, but they won't see buttons to download, print, or copy. Keep in mind, this is a strong deterrent, not an absolute lock. Someone could still take screenshots or use external tools. Also, availability of these options can vary depending on your account type and the file format. If a setting isn't visible, it may not be supported for that item. If you need this protection on multiple files, apply these settings to each one individually. That's it. You've successfully turned off downloading for a shared file in Google Drive while keeping it easy for people to access with a link. Copy the link wherever you need it, and you're good to go.